Hey there! So, imagine you're trying to relay SSH connections from port 122 TCP to another server on port 22 TCP based on the FQDN. Now, here's the problem: the FQDN is never known by the server in this case. It's not sent as part of the TCP layer handshake, so FQDN-based proxying of raw TCP connections simply can't be done with HAProxy or any other tool. The SSH handshake doesn't include the FQDN either, making it impossible to proxy by FQDN even with an SSH-specific mode. Now, let's delve into the solution. Essentially, the FQDN is not sent as part of the SSH handshake or any raw TCP connection. This means that proxying SSH connections based on FQDN is not feasible. The FQDN is only sent in certain application protocols like TLS or HTTP, which require specific support for routing based on FQDN. So, unfortunately, routing SSH connections based on FQDN is beyond the capabilities of HAProxy or any other similar tool. To wrap it up, trying to route SSH connections based on FQDN presents a significant challenge due to the way SSH handshakes work. The FQDN is simply not transmitted in a way that allows for routing based on it. While HAProxy is a powerful tool for many types of routing and load balancing, this specific requirement falls outside of its capabilities. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Who knew SSH connections could be so tricky, right? Take care.